What's up, y'all? uh, Welcome back. Enoch the Wealth Giant. I hope y'all doing good on this Thursday early evening. Just had a good morning for myself. Looking at the stock market, and it's doing pretty good today. It ain't all red. Look like it's trying to come back off of this pullback that I was explaining y'all. Basically, which is the slight difference between what we call a pullback and a correction. But this is what I want y'all to understand about the stock market and why I keep stressing this. First and foremost, the stock market wasn't created for us to actually get in it. If you go back and you actually look at the history of the stock market, you go and you will see that when this started hundreds of years ago, a couple of hundred years ago, the stock market was actually created for a certain group of people, a small group of people, basically the 1%, and they created their own terminology that would be hard for the layman person to understand. Just like when you go into the medical field, they have their own terms. Just like you go into law, when you look at Black Law's Dictionary, they got their own terms outside of layman terminology. But the stock market was not meant for you to learn these terms at all, or to learn the game, or to get in the game. What would happen back in the early days, what was basically the niche, that these so-called brokers will go out to the layman people and say, hey, I'll charge you blah, 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 blah amount of money for you to give me your money, and I'll invest it for you. And then you pay me another $100 to do it again and keep or whatever amount of money. And this is basically how it was. Keep a certain group of people, will take your money, but we're not going to teach you how to do it yourself. So basically what I and others are doing, I would say in the last 5 to 10 years, because it's been a big push, is trying to let the regular worker know, the regular person. I don't care where you work at, McDonald's, I don't care if you work at Walmart, wherever you work at, down the street at the hotel somewhere, the gas station. You can invest in the stock market and help your own way out of your own situation by investing in the stock market. There's no other way around it. We have to learn this and understand this, that there are a group of people talk about market manipulation. Market manipulation is real, but it's not manipulation to the point of, I would say, an extreme manipulation. It's manipulation as to actually make the small investor not want to put their money in it, to basically try to shake off all of the weaklings. So when you see red, like we've been seeing red for the last, I would say, past 7 weeks, a lot of people fell off and they've just sold out. They locked their losses in. They didn't understand. Trailing stop losses or trailing stop amounts of money. So they lost. They lost. They're seeing their losses go beyond 5 and 10%, down to 20 and 30 and 40%, and they just said, forget it. Stop the bleeding. They just locked in their losses and got out. A lot of people do this. For those who didn't do it, congratulations. You have won. But I just want y'all to understand. I want y'all to actually get a clear view of the history of the stock market and the hedge funds guys, and how they do not want you to be successful. This is the reason why you should invest. Because when you follow the big sharks, small sharks gonna eat too. So man, I just wanted to bring y'all this video. On this beautiful Thursday, just to let y'all know, man, that we here for you. I'm here for you. Any questions you got? Also, I don't think I mentioned this in my early videos. I am also starting an investment club, a stock club, where I will be having some items available for you all to actually get. A lot of stuff going to be free, and a lot of stuff you'll purchase, but it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth investment, and you're going to be successful. And I'm going to ride right along with you. Like I always say, those who actually watch my YouTube videos, I keep my portfolio transparent with people. Whatever I tell y'all, even though I'm not a financial advisor for you, but I am a financial consultant, I tell people all the time, man, the plays I'm telling y'all to get in, I'm in them. So I'm not going to tell you to invest in something that I'm not in, whether it's just regular stocks, long-term or short-term, or whether it's crypto. If I tell you to get in it, believe me, I'm already in it. This is why I keep my portfolio transparent, so people can see what I'm actually in, what I'm losing at, what I'm red at, what I'm green at, my down days, what are my up days. I tell y'all about everything. So I just wanted to drop this on y'all real quick, man. And I'm gonna hit y'all later with another video. So I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace out.